Everybody, it's Creative Sarah here, ready to do some Hello Sunshine. I got a little 5-minute DIY for you. Take your transfer, place it down on this cute little surface that I found. P.S. I painted this surface with our chalk in a previous video. I'm going to use some fun, adorable shimmer paste. This is our shimmer melon. And it's super cute and it's glittery. So I'm just going to couple swipes across the silkscreen mesh transfer or stencil, if you want to call it a stencil. Then watch what we're going to do. I'm going to peel and reveal this super cute design. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Isn't it cute? And it's sparkly, you guys. It's sparkly. So we're going to dry that, and I'm going to quickly wash that off camera. Now I'm done. Magic of video. And we'll dry it just real quickly with our quick dry tool. Once it's dry, we're going to work on embellishing. Embellishing is my favorite part if you guys have not caught on. I have some cute beads that I'm going to use with some jute twine here. String some beads on there and I'm going to make this cute little handle. Oh, it's going to be adorable. I'm going to go ahead and add some really cool ribbon too when I get this all done and tied up together. So I'm going to prepare it, cut it, make sure it's the right size because we're going to put this right on the edges. It's going to be like a little tassel. All the cute colors that coordinate. I'm kind of addicted to ribbon if you haven't known that before. Put them together, make a messy bow, and just tie it up. And now I'm going to grab the next one and tie that one up too. I usually do a double knot, and of course, this jute twine, after I do the knot, I unravel it. I twist it a little bit and unravel it. It's so cute. I'm going to make sure I will also trim off the edges so that it looks good. Here I go, twisty, twisty. Wait till you see the end result. It is so adorable. You guys, this project is under 5 minutes. Probably could be a 3-minute project if I didn't have to string the beads. Do a little tack of hot glue if you want your ribbons to stay in a specific spot. Otherwise, let them flow free. Okay, you guys, more information at CreativeSarah.com and enjoy. Follow me for more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. Take care.